Acharya is a one-stop AI-powered classroom learning assistant that can help solve rural teachers' challenges like teaching problems and classroom management challenges by providing teachers with real-time, context-aware, and personalized strategies to help improve the outcome of learning for the students. So as you can see, this is the landing screen of Acharya. Let's start with the demo. Acharya. So today we are going to teach the topic gravity. The subject is science. Class is class 8. So now we are going to start recording. ग्रेविटी, आज हम लोग ग्रेविटी के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। ग्रेविटी एक ऐसी ऊर्जा है जो दो चीजों को एक दूसरे तरफ आकर्षित करती है। ग्रेविटी का फॉर्मूला होता है F=g m1 m2 मल्टीप्लाई में डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर। ग्रेविटी का सरल भाषा में कहें वो चीज है, वो ऊर्जा जिस वजह से चीजें धरती की तरफ आती हैं। और ग्रेविटी की डिस्कवरी करी थी एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने। So now as you can see, I'm going to stop recording. So all the class recording is going to be transcribed. It is multilinguistic and it can do it in multiple languages, all Indian dialects and Hindi, English, Marathi and all the languages of the world. We have used Sarvam AI in it. So now all this transcribed is going to be sent to the LLM, which is going to give a complete class reflection of what has been taught in the class. As you can see, it is loading. So as you can see over here, the entire report of the class has been generated, and as you can see, all the misconceptions and things, that inaccuracy like misconceptions about the gravity and that stuff has been pointed out by it. Improvements, how can the teacher improve, and topic specific feedbacks, and the environment, how was the environment of the class, and that kind of stuff. And as you can see, it has also pointed out that the Einstein did the discovery, like misconception, that Einstein was not actually, the Isaac Newton was the person who actually discovered the gravity. So it actually even pointed out that AI agent that we have made, and it is not a cheap copy of Notebook LM. We can, as a teacher, can give his curriculum like notes. We have used RAG over here, and let's click on curriculum. So we have already embedded vector embeddings of the NCERT notebooks, like the English of class 1 is ready, and right now we have done only this much. We can add in the database later on. So for example, the teacher can also upload his notes and verify if they are according to the curriculum or not. So let's ask a question. Please tell me what is the name of the class 1 English book chapter 1. So let's send it. As you can see, NCERT 1 is Marigold. As you can see, it is multilinguistic also. So the vector embeddings and the books which we have given are actually working. As you can see over here, it was able to tell the name of the NCERT book. We did not mention even the NCERT over here, but it's still dated because they are in the database right now. So as you can see, the English was there. So let's see, what is the name of chapter 2 in English? So Little Pig is the name. So for example, class 1, because we have only given the English book, let's say class 1 science book chapter 1 name. So let's right now talk with the Acharya voice AI agent.
Acharya AI.
नमस्ते, क्या हम हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं?
नमस्ते, ये आचार्य AI है। मैं आपकी कक्षा की तैयारी में मदद करने के लिए तैयार हूँ। आज हम किस विषय या प्रकरण पर काम कर रहे हैं?
क्या हम मराठी भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं?
मी तुमच्याशी मराठीत बोलू शकेन, पण मी फक्त इंग्रजी, हिंदी किंवा इंग्लिश मध्ये प्रतिसाद देऊ शकेन. मी तुमच्या प्रश्नाची नोंद घेतली आहे.
सुनिए, तो आप मेरी किस तरीके से सहायता कर सकती हैं, मतलब मेरी शिक्षा बेहतर करने में?
नमस्ते, ये आचार्य AI है। मैं आपकी कक्षा की तैयारी में मदद करने के लिए तैयार हूँ। आज हम किस विषय या प्रकरण पर काम कर रहे हैं?
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि साइंस में मैं कैसे बच्चों को और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट समझा सकूँ, जैसे कि फोटोसिंथेसिस है।
बहुत अच्छा विषय चुना आपने। प्रकाश संश्लेषण, फोटोसिंथेसिस, विज्ञान का एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। मैं आपकी किस तरह मदद कर सकती हूँ? क्या आपको इस पर पाठ योजना लेसन प्लान चाहिए? बच्चों के संदेह दूर करने के लिए कोई तरीका, कक्षा प्रबंधन से जुड़ी कोई सलाह या मूल्यांकन के लिए प्रश्न?
So as you can see, this is completely working fine. So let's, and all the previous chats are also here, as you can see, all the previous chats. So let's make a new chat and like give me practice activities from like class 8, for example. Chat interface is also working 100%. This is also a multi-AI agent orchestration we have built over here. So multiple AI agents work on it. And in the calendar, you can see the calendar. See the gravity. The entire thing that we have done, class-wise, period-wise, time-wise, it is all recorded in the database, as you can see. We have also made a community feature like a Reddit for teachers, like teacher community. All who are logged in into our database will be able to talk to each other. This is the basic profile.